Okay. Sorry about that. Forgot to turn on the mic earlier. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. So we find out the shock turn. It's right here at 1. So once we integrate it, we just want to separate the integrand. So 1 is from 0 to 1. Okay, excuse me, 0 to 1. So it's a negative v of t. So negative of the quantity, t squared plus 3t minus 4. The reason why it's being negative, because we flip this one over, the bump. And then the second part of this is from 1 to 3. So that one is just like a normal v of t, so it's t squared plus 3t minus 4 with respect to the time. So dt, I need to put in the indicator here as well. And then you want to integrate it and then find out exactly, what the total distance is. So let's integrate it. So we got negative t to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3t squared over 2 minus 4. And then it goes all the way from 0 to 1. And then here's another part. So t cubed over 3 plus 3t squared over 2 minus 14. Integrated from 1 to 3. Okay? So I need more space. So let me just erase this here. So checking the words. So one is being negative, the other one is being positive. Positive, then that would be, well, need to change the sign here. Negative times positive, got to be negative. So this one will be negative. Negative times negative, positive. Again, if just compare those, two different integrand, the results, it's going to be opposite to each other. Negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative. Okay, so now let's put in that f of b minus f of a. So for the first half of this, so we do have negative 1 over 3 minus 3 over 2 plus 4. Minus 0, you can put it right there as well. So this one basically takes care of f of b. This one is f of a for the first integrand result. So this whole thing added with the rest of this. Okay, so this one's 3 cubed over 3. And then plus 3 half times 3 squared minus 4 times 3. And then minus the quantity of 1/3 plus 3 half and minus 4. Okay, so again, this part right here is f of a, f of b. And then down here, then that'll be f of a for the second part of the result of the integrand. Okay, so now let's just evaluate. So we do have negative 4 over, hang on a second, so negative 1/3, negative 3 half. So combine them, so we do have negative 2 over 6 minus 9 over 6 plus 4. So this one will be 7 over 6. Okay? 7 over 6 plus 4. And then plus 27 over 3, then that'll be 9. Here, 3 half times 9, so 27 over 2 minus 12, minus this whole quantity. So minus, so again, this one 1/3 plus 3 half, then that'll be 7 over 6. Wait a minute, this one should be negative 7 over 6. So 7 over 6 minus, wait. So we got negative 2 over 6, negative 9 over 6. So negative, well, this part would be negative 11 over 6. Excuse me. So this one, it's 11 over 6 minus 4. Okay, so checking the work, making sure that everything is evaluating correctly. Okay, so combine them. So we got negative 22 over 6. Okay, we can just reduce down to later. So negative 4, positive 4, negative, negative, positive 8. 8 plus 9, 17, minus 12. Okay, then that'll be 5. Plus 27 over 2. Okay, reduce down to, well, this one convert out to the same denominator. So we got negative 22 over 6. Plus 54 over 6. Wait, let's see. Times 3. Sorry, it's not a good thing. 81 over 6. Times 3, top and the bottom. And then plus 5. So negative, well, this one, 81 minus 22. So we do have 59 over 6 plus 5 plus 30 over 6. So eventually it's going to be 89 over 6 for the total distance. So checking the work one more time, making sure that you plug in everything correctly, and then evaluate it. Again, negative 22 over 6, 4 minus negative 4, 8, plus 9, 17 minus 12, 5, plus 27 over 2. Convert that to the same denominator, 81 over 6, times 3, top and the bottom here. So we do have 59 over 6 plus 30 over 6. So 89 over 6. Okay, so that's it. So this one is the total distance travels by the particles from 0 to 3 seconds. Okay, so thank you for watching that, the third part of the video today for section 5.4. So I'll see you next time.